Hello everyone, you're welcome once again. You are welcome to this channel. If this is your first time of joining, please kindly subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up. You can drop a comment in the comment section. Likewise, share this video for others to benefit. We make videos related to crypto. We post content on how you can earn online. So if this is your first time, do well to turn on the notification bell so you get notified when such videos are posted. So on today's session, we want to unveil our daily cipher word to be able to claim 1 million Hamster Kombat coins. I've made a video for the daily combo. We have 3 cards for today. We have NFT metaverse, and we have the 2 cards under the special section. We have 2 cards under the special section. We have the NFT collection launch. This is the second card, and this is the third card, being Hamster Kombat or Hamster Green Energy. This is the third card, Hamster Green Energy, then NFT collection launch. Then we have this NFT metaverse that is under the Web3. This is it over here. So go ahead to claim your daily combo. Now on today's section of daily cipher, our word for today is atomic. Atomic, A-T-O-M-I-C. A-T-O-M-I-C, atomic. Now to get our A is dot dash. That's our A, dot dash. To get our T is just dash. To get our O is dash in 3 places. That's dash, dash, dash. Now to get our M is dash in 2 places, dash, dash. To get our I is dot, dot. And to get our C is dash, dot, dash, dot. So let's get started. Our A is dot, dash. Our T is a single dash. Our O is dash, dash, dash. Our M is dash, dash. Our I, our A is dot, dash. Our T is dash. Our O is dash, dash, dash. Now to get our M is dash, dash. To get, let's get started again. Our A remains dot, dash. Our T is a single dash. Our O is dash. Our O is triple dash. So dash, dash, dash for our O. Now to get our M is dash, dash. To get our I is dot, dot. To get our C is dash, dot, dash, dot, and that's atomic. So just take the price, and we've been able to unlock our daily cipher. Now for you that you're unable to claim the key for yesterday, I would add the video for yesterday pending where we'll be able to claim for today. So go ahead to claim your key. You never can tell the importance of these keys as well. Like I normally say, go ahead to claim as much keys as you can. Now we have this session where you get to play games to earn more keys as well. You can do well to play the games. I've uploaded a video relating to that. So this is the video on how you can claim the key for yesterday before we go ahead to claim for today. So I'll be seeing you shortly on our next post. Thank you very much.